Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to open your mic option on your Meta Quest 3. So at first guys, just take out this navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as you open the navigation bar, all you have to do is open your settings from here. But if you don't find your settings here, just go on the quick settings and go on the settings from here. And as you open the setting page, all you have to do is go on the system option. As you click it, you can see the option here, sound, and just click on here. And as you click it, you can see the option here for the microphone. And from here, either you can turn it off or turn it on. So guys, that's how you open the mic option on your Meta Quest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.